Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I can't tell you how much I wanted to open this box, but I waited to film this. So I placed an order on the Polene website. I had my eyes on these bags for so long. I want to get this bag. It's a bag, it's the Beri model. I ordered it in the black color with the chain strap. The reason why I ordered this style is because I thought that this bag would be a bag that I want to wear mostly in the evenings. And I thought that if I wanted, I will show you, but if I wanted to take the strap off, it would be easier with the chain strap compared to the leather, the black leather strap. So anyway, let's get right into it. So really lovely box. It's like this pearl white. And here we have the Polene sticker, this card, So it's in a dust bag, packaged really nice, really careful. Really high quality dust bag as well. I'm just saying this now so it will get out of the way. Bubble wrap. Oh my god. And this is a weighty chain, let me tell you. So lovely, it's so high quality. Well, what they said, it's true. It's really luxurious. So here is the magnetic closure. So it's leather and the lining is cotton. Really lovely. It's a great bag. It's what I expected. So the first impressions for this bag are actually the best. The leather is quite thick. It seems very high quality. I really love the fact that you can open the bag from the magnetic fastening here, but you can access the whole body of the bag inside by opening the closure of the handle as well. I really love these folds here and at the bottom. The chain is quite substantial. It is weighty, It is a flat curb chain. The reason why, sorry, and I also would like to add that the bag looks the way the photos show it on their website, so the photos are representative. It really feels luxurious. The reason why I chose to buy this bag is actually because I really liked the bags of this type, and I also wanted to have my hands free. So the abstract shape of this bag is the same as the Bottega Veneta woven bag, the famous woven handbag, with the knot on the one side. Now I think this design is more modern, and it will, I think it's timeless. I think it will look modern and timeless in 20 years as well. I don't know, whereas the Bottega Veneta one, I think it will go out of fashion. I mean, this shape has nothing extravagant on it, yet it's so elegant. Really nice seams. And yeah, also the Bottega Veneta doesn't have a strap, and it's so much more expensive. I also love the Loewe, I think that's the right pronunciation. Anyway, the Loewe puzzle bag. You know, I like this style where you have the option of the handle, and you know, it's like the opening of the bag is concealed under the handle. I think I like this one better because you can access the contents of the bag so much more easily. So anyway, this is my first Polene bag, and I think in the future I will buy another one because I really love their designs. I hope you like this video and you like this unboxing and first impressions. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!